In this video, you're going to learn how to install your course outline on your own course website. What we have here is a blank WordPress website. WordPress powers about 40% of the internet. If you don't have it yet, it's awesome. All you need to do is get a good web host. All the good ones have WordPress already installed and easy to set up. There's a link to how to do that down below and some good hosting companies out there. But the first thing we want to do inside of our WordPress site to set up our course outline is we go into the back here. This is called the WordPress dashboard. And then over here under plugins, you want to click add new. And you want to install the best learning management system plugin for WordPress, which is called LifterLMS. It's free. Just click this button, install now. And we're going to activate that. And what it's going to do here is it's going to take us through a setup wizard so that we can get started. So yes, we want to get started. Yes, we want to install the required pages. This kind of just turns a regular website into an actual learning management system for having courses and also for the selling of the course and the student dashboard and all that. So you just click save and continue. You select your currency that you're selling in, and you can get a coupon for some of LifterLMS paid products if you'd like to add even more features to your site. So I'll just click allow. And here I can install some sample courses if I want to kind of populate the site and see what it looks like to already have some courses on it. For this case, I'll just install the LifterLMS Quick Start course, which I highly recommend watching. It'll teach you how to use the product in even more detail. So we'll click import courses. And while that's coming in, there we are. So there's the LifterLMS Quick Start course. We already have a bunch of lessons in here. So this is in the back end of WordPress. So on the front of the site, right here, you can start to see, we have a course here with a syllabus. Our various sections and lessons are here. So, but what we want to do next is actually set up our course on this website that we've outlined. So I'm going to go back into the back here, and I'm going to go to courses, and I'm going to click add course. So just for demonstration purposes, I'll call it my awesome course. And I'll hit publish here. And down here, I'm going to launch the course builder. So this is where you can actually create the outline for your course, the syllabus, the curriculum, all of that stuff. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a section. We'll call this introduction. And then we'll add some lessons. And I could add another section. And add some more lessons. And you can see how easy it is to construct the course outline. And you can even just click right here and add your video links directly from here inside the course builder. Now, just to jump over to a course that's already built out, this is actually the 5-day, 6-figure course plan challenge that we run. It's structured inside of a course, and you can see, if I jump inside of a lesson here, I've got my lesson video loading at the top, and in this case I put in a worksheet and all of that. So if we actually look at this lesson on the front end of the website, you can see here this is that lesson. If we go to the course, we can see the whole course is right here with the various lessons on the side here. So really that's all there is to it in terms of setting up your online course website It's super easy to do with WordPress and using the most powerful, customizable learning management system for WordPress, which is called LifterLMS, which is a great option if you're looking to have ownership of your course website and have the most flexibility and able to turn the learning experience into whatever you want to. So that's it. That's how easy it is to get started with your online course website.